Good morning. My name is Ana. I came from the Gulbenkian Foundation in Lisbon, and I briefly explain what is our proposal for future architecture platform this year. The main idea came from a project made by Raulino. Raulino was one of the most important Portuguese architects of the 20th century, and his professional archive is now at the Art Library of the Gulbenkian Foundation. The project we choose is one he made in the 30s to Lisbon Zoo, which includes 402 drawings, photos, and written documentation that are now all digitalized. The Lisbon Zoo is still a popular place in town. It's still visited regularly by families and children from schools. And despite several alterations during these years, it maintains some of the aspects of the original of Linus project. The teams that will go choose this project will work at Gulbenkian Foundation in Lisbon. The foundation has a museum, has a beautiful garden that will soon have Kengo Kuma work, and an art library where is the project of Gulbenkian of Raulino project for the Zoo of Lisbon. The art library has also other archives of architects. The latest that we have is 38 projects of Álvaro Siza Vieira. For our proposal, we thought about a virtual exhibition, and we call it Stage Nature. And we want to achieve a visual exhibition that explores Lino's project, but as well facilitate and promote interpretation of this project in the broader context of Western European architecture of the 20th century. For this, we thought in creating a modern display of an architectural project that could be easily understandable by students, that now students architectural students work with computers, and this is a traditional project of architecture, drawings. Also we want to create a display that could be also attractive and easily comprehensible to general public. We want to frame also this project in the relevant questions of why still keeping wild animals in zoos. This is make sense in this 20th century with all the questions we have about the preservation of nature. We want also confront architectural complex relationships to his social and historical context and to his audience. We want to rethink about the power of architecture, of use and representation, and how architecture could produce collective meaning and memory in these days. Well, with whom? With two selected teams from the 25 that were here this year. And we also have a partnership with BINA. Our colleague of BINA has told about this earlier. The two projects that will be in Lisbon will be also presented the result of his work at BINA in June. And what? and that's it. Welcome to Lisbon and see you there. Thank you.